Cardlytics is a commerce media platform that consists of two main platforms: the Cardlytics platform, which operates within financial institutions' digital channels, and the Bridge platform, which utilizes point-of-sale data from merchants. It also enables marketers to perform analytics and targeted loyalty marketing using point-of-sale data from merchants. The Cardlytics platform allows for targeted advertising and rewards, while the Bridge platform focuses on customer data and identity resolution capabilities. Both platforms aim to help marketers reach new customers and measure the impact of their marketing efforts effectively. Cardlytics enable marketers to reach potential buyers at scale, measure the impact of their marketing spend, and improve targeting through advanced analytics. The company has partnerships with leading marketers in industries like everyday spend, specialty retail, restaurant, travel, and entertainment. The company utilizes purchase data from financial institution partners and point-of-sale data from merchant data partners for advanced analytics capabilities. These platforms help marketers reach potential customers at scale and measure the impact of their marketing efforts. The Cardlytics platform serves relevant advertisements to financial institution partners' customers, while the Bridge platform associates customer transactions with anonymized identifiers. Additionally, the company uses sophisticated quantitative methods to analyze massive volumes of data and make it actionable for informed business decisions and creating meaningful customer connections. The Cardlytics and Bridge platforms gather data without collecting sensitive personal information, targeting marketing against anonymized data only. The ad server and ads manager form the core of this platform, ensuring secure data transfer between the company and financial institution partners. The Bridge platform also complies with applicable privacy laws and regulations, offering built-in privacy protections to ensure data security for clients. Cardlytics' competitive advantages revolve around its scale with financial institution partners, valuable touchpoints with customers, massive dataset and reach, compelling return on advertising spend for marketers, powerful network effects, ability to improve marketing through online to offline attribution, proprietary technology architecture, advanced analytics capabilities, and loyalty tactics beyond loyalty programs. Growth centers on the four strategies of expanding business with marketers by increasing sales and marketing efforts, realizing synergies between the Cardlytics and Bridge platforms to enhance offers, consumer engagement, and advertiser demand, driving growth through existing financial institution partners by improving their digital channels, and expanding the network of partners, non-bank partners, and merchant data partners. Additionally, they plan to continue growing their platform through integrations with other media platforms, marketing technology providers, merchant data providers, and agencies. Cardlytics is invaluable for marketers in that it gives them access to consumer purchase data on its Cardlytics platform, which analyzes approximately $5.8 trillion in purchases across all categories and geographies, both online and in-store. The Bridge platform offers similar insights into customer behavior for marketers, while leveraging their own transactional purchase data to inform marketing strategies and measure impact. This scale with marketers allows the company compelling return on advertising spend due to its ability to influence likely buyers through consumer purchase data. There's an emerging market for utilizing purchase data to power marketing decisions, and Cardlytics is positioned to utilize this data at a large scale with high granularity, particularly with the ability to leverage purchase data, depth of relationships, access to purchase data, effectiveness in increasing return on advertising spend, marketing campaign performance, partner customer engagement, confidentiality and security of transaction data, transparency into marketing performance, multi-channel capabilities, pricing, brand awareness, reputation, innovation, and talent. While Cardlytics is confident it's among a select few companies in such a position, it acknowledges potential competition from other bank service providers, online retailers, credit card companies, digital publishers, mobile pay providers, and even their own financial institution partners who may introduce similar solutions in the future. For more on Cardlytics and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.